Have you ever wondered about the invisible money that's changing the world of finance? Welcome to our journey into the heart of Bitcoin, the digital currency that's reshaping our understanding of value and transactions. Born from the mind of an enigmatic creator, Bitcoin has evolved from a curious internet novelty to a financial powerhouse. It's a story of innovation and intrigue, a testament to the transformative power of technology. So buckle up, because we're about to dive into the fascinating world of Bitcoin. In the financial meltdown of 2008, a new form of currency was born. Amidst the turmoil and distrust, a mysterious figure emerged from the shadows, a figure known only as Satoshi Nakamoto. Nakamoto presented the world with a radical idea, a concept that would challenge traditional financial systems and generate a new wave of digital revolution. The year was 2008. The world was grappling with one of the most devastating financial crises in history. Banks were collapsing, economies were staggering, and the public's trust in financial institutions was rapidly eroding. It was during this time of chaos and uncertainty that the Bitcoin white paper was released. This white paper, titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, was authored by the enigmatic Satoshi Nakamoto, whose true identity remains unknown to this day. In this document, Nakamoto outlined a new type of digital currency, one that was independent of any central authority, immune to government manipulation, and completely transparent. Bitcoin was designed to be a peer-to-peer system, where transactions take place directly between users without an intermediary. This was a groundbreaking idea, a revolution against the established financial order. It was the first practical solution to the problem of double spending in digital currency, a problem that had plagued the tech world for years. The goal was to create a system where trust in institutions was replaced by mathematical algorithms and cryptographic proof. The public, still reeling from the financial crisis, was ready for a change, ready for a system where they could have full control over their money. And so, the Bitcoin network came into existence on January 3, 2009, when Nakamoto mined the first block of the Bitcoin blockchain, famously known as the Genesis block or Block Zero. Encoded in this block was a headline from the Times: "Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks." This message was a clear nod to the circumstances of Bitcoin's birth, a direct response to the financial crisis that was still shaking the world. And thus, Bitcoin, the first decentralized cryptocurrency, took its first breath in the digital world. Now, you may ask, what drives this unique digital currency? Well, the answer lies in a groundbreaking technology known as the blockchain. Let's break this down. Imagine a ledger, an ancient tool used for recording transactions. But this isn't your typical ledger. It's a digital public ledger that records every single Bitcoin transaction ever made. That's right, every single one, from the largest to the smallest, all neatly stacked in a chain of blocks, hence the name blockchain. Now you might be thinking, isn't that a bit of a security risk? On the contrary, it's the exact opposite. The beauty of blockchain technology lies in its security. Each block of transactions is verified by a network of computers known as nodes. Once a block is verified, it's added to the chain and the information becomes unalterable. It becomes, in a way, set in digital stone. This ensures that no one can tamper with past transactions, providing a level of security that's truly unparalleled. But the magic of blockchain doesn't stop at security. It also brings an unprecedented level of transparency. Because the ledger is public, anyone can see the history of transactions. This openness fosters trust, as everything is out in the open, with no hidden tricks or backdoor dealings. And let's not forget about decentralization. Unlike traditional currencies which are controlled by central banks, Bitcoin is not governed by any single entity. The power rests in the hands of the people who use it. This decentralization is made possible by the blockchain. It's a system that operates on consensus, not authority. You could say it's a democracy of currency, a truly free market. So we have security, transparency, and decentralization, all brought to you by the blockchain, a revolutionary technology that's changing the way we think about money and transactions. In essence, blockchain is the revolutionary technology that powers Bitcoin. Bitcoin's journey has been anything but smooth. Imagine embarking on a roller coaster ride, one that takes you soaring to breathtaking heights before plunging you into dizzying lows. That's been the tale of Bitcoin, a saga filled with triumphs and setbacks, victories and defeats. In the early days, Bitcoin was but a whisper in the wind, a curiosity known only to a small community of tech enthusiasts. Then came its first surge in popularity around 2010, when it gained recognition as a promising, decentralized form of currency. The price of a single Bitcoin, which was less than a penny at its inception, skyrocketed to around $20 by the end of 2010. A new era of digital currency had dawned. But as the saying goes, what goes up must come down. Bitcoin faced its first major setback in 2014. The infamous Mt. Gox exchange, which handled a significant majority of Bitcoin transactions, collapsed due to a catastrophic hack. The price of Bitcoin plummeted, casting a dark shadow over the cryptocurrency world. Many proclaimed the end of Bitcoin, but they couldn't have been more wrong. Like a phoenix rising from the ashes, Bitcoin made a stunning comeback. The period between 2016 and 2017 witnessed a meteoric rise in Bitcoin's value. From around $1,000, Bitcoin soared to nearly $20,000 by the end of 2017. It was a wild ride, one that signified the resilience and potential of this revolutionary currency. The factors influencing these dramatic shifts in Bitcoin's value are numerous and complex. Market speculation, technological advancements, regulatory changes, and global events all play their part. The volatility of Bitcoin is not for the faint-hearted, but it's this very unpredictability that makes it a fascinating subject. Despite its volatile journey, Bitcoin's resilience shows its potential to stay and grow. The story of Bitcoin is one of resilience and tenacity, of daring to challenge the status quo. It's a tale that continues to unfold, with each chapter more intriguing than the last. Bitcoin's influence extends beyond just finance. It's a revolutionary wave that's reshaping our world in ways we couldn't have imagined a decade ago. Let's start with technology. Bitcoin's underlying technology, blockchain, has become a hotbed of innovation. It's not just about verifying Bitcoin transactions anymore. We're seeing blockchain applications in supply chain management, healthcare, and even in the music industry. It's a testament to Bitcoin's transformative power. Next, let's talk about the economy. Bitcoin has challenged traditional notions of money. It's a decentralized currency, not governed by any central bank or government. Its rise has spurred the development of thousands of other cryptocurrencies, each bringing something unique to the table. This new form of money is fostering a more inclusive and democratic financial system. But it's not just about the tech and economy. Bitcoin is making societal waves too. It's raising questions about financial privacy and control. It's making us rethink how we define and store value. It's pushing us towards a future where financial empowerment is not a privilege, but a right. The impact of Bitcoin is not confined to any one sector or region. It's a global phenomenon, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the ceaseless drive for progress. Indeed, Bitcoin's ripple effects are felt across the globe. So, what does the future hold for Bitcoin? Peering into the crystal ball of Bitcoin's future, we navigate a maze of possibilities, each more intriguing than the last. On one hand, we have the optimists, those who see Bitcoin as the digital gold of the future. They envision a world where Bitcoin, with its finite supply of 21 million coins, becomes a global store of value, a hedge against economic uncertainty. This future sees Bitcoin riding the waves of technological advancements with increased adoption and integration into everyday life. However, every coin has two sides, and Bitcoin is no exception. The pessimists raise valid concerns too. They point to the potential pitfalls that could derail Bitcoin's journey. Regulatory decisions, for instance, could impose significant roadblocks. Governments around the world, grappling with the idea of a decentralized currency, could implement stringent regulations or even outright bans. Moreover, the volatility of Bitcoin's price is another factor that cannot be overlooked. The market dynamics of supply and demand, speculation, and investor sentiment can swing the price in any direction, causing potential investors to hesitate. And then, there's the wild card: technological advancements. These could either propel Bitcoin to new heights or render it obsolete. Innovations in blockchain technology or the advent of a superior digital currency could drastically alter Bitcoin's trajectory. In the end, Bitcoin's future is as unpredictable as it is exciting. Only time will tell what's in store for Bitcoin. In conclusion, Bitcoin is a revolutionary digital currency. Born from the need for a decentralized financial system, it's underpinned by blockchain technology, offering transparency and security. Its journey, marked by periods of rise and fall, reflects its volatile nature. Yet, its impact on the world has been profound, challenging traditional financial systems and offering new possibilities. Looking forward, Bitcoin holds potential for further disruption. Whether you're a fan or a skeptic, one thing is clear: Bitcoin is a game changer in the world of finance.